All right. So this is question 7 out of exercise 9C. Okay, so what we're looking at here is we're looking at an experiment where one half of it is rolling the dice and the other half is tossing a coin. Okay, so you can do this either way because it doesn't tell you what order you have to do it in. Okay, so I'm going to do, because I'm lazy and I don't want to write out 6 twice, okay, I'm going to write all the possibilities of rolling a dice. Okay, so you know that there's um, 6 sides on a normal dice. Okay, so whenever they don't specify, you can just assume that it's what we normally use, which is a 6-sided dice, all right? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so then you need to toss a coin after you roll that dice. Okay, so we're looking at a heads tail. This is a heads tail. This is a heads tail. Again, heads or tails, and 6 times. Okay, so we can see that the more experiments we do and the more outcomes they have, all right, the more overall outcomes we can have. So find the probability of obtaining a head and an even number. Okay, so we've got 12 possibilities that could happen. So my total is equal to 12 outcomes. Okay, so we know that probability is equal to favorable over total. Okay, so this is going to be the probability of a head plus an even, all right, is going to be equal to something over 12. Now, if I want a head and an even number, okay, that means I need a 2, 4, or 6, and then a head. Okay, so it's going to be get a 2, all right, and then a head. All right, so that's 1. 4 and a head is 2. Oh, sorry, that should say plus 1. All right, and then a 6 and a head. Okay, we have one more. So you can see this is equal to 3 over 12, which is equal to 1/4.